ಶ್ರೀಮದ್ಭಾಗವತಂ. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಂ ಟು ಶ್ರೀಮದ್ಭಾಗವತಂ. ನಿಗಮಕಲ್ಪತರೋರ್ಗಲಿತಂ ಫಲಂ ಸುಖಮುಖಾದಮೃತದ್ರವ ಸಂಯುತಂ ಪಿಬತ ಭಾಗವತಂ ರಸಮಾಲಯಂ ಮುಹುರಹೋ ರಸಿಕಾ ಭುವಿ ಭಾವುಕಾಃ. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಂ ಟು ಶ್ರೀಸುಖಯೋಗೀಂದ್ರ. ಯಂ ಪ್ರವ್ರಜಂತಮನುಪೇತಮಪೇತಕೃತ್ಯಂ ದ್ವೈಪಾಯನೋ ವಿರಹಕಾತರ ಆಜುಹಾವ ಪುತ್ರೇತಿ ತನ್ಮಯತಯಾ ತರವೋ ವಿನೇದುಃ ತಂ ಸರ್ವಭೂತಹೃದಯಂ ಮುನಿಮಾನತೋಸ್ಮಿ. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಂ ಟು ನರನಾರಾಯಣ ಚತುರ್ಮುಖ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮ ಸರಸ್ವತೀ ದೇವಿ ವ್ಯಾಸಮಹರ್ಷಿ. ನಾರಾಯಣಂ ನಮಸ್ಕೃತ್ಯ ನರಂ ಚೈವ ನರೋತ್ತಮಂ ದೇವೀಂ ಸರಸ್ವತೀಂ ವ್ಯಾಸಂ ತತೋ ಜಯಂ ಉದೀರಯೇತ್. In Srimad Bhagavatam, 3rd Skandham, Tritiya Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra giving his teachings to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Maitreya teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Vidura. In that process, Maitreya saying that, O Vidura, Kapila Mahamuni teaching Adhyatmika Vidya to Devahuti, saying that, O Janani Devahuti, those who have devotion in me, they will be worshipping me, thinking that I am related to them in every possible way. Yesham aham priya atma sutascha sakha guruhu suhrudo daivam ishtam. They treat me as their friend. They treat me as their relation. They treat me as their son. They treat me as their guru. They treat me as their daivam. In all these ways they will be worshipping me, and they do not have any other activity other than worshipping me, and they would never have any kind of abhimanam, favorism upon their body, and they do not show much importance, they do not give much importance to those who related to them in just physical way. That is how they will be worshipping me. They will be keeping themselves detached from bodily related things, and that is how they tan mrutyoh atiparaye. They will cross the ocean of this samsaram, which is filled up with so many sufferings and birth and death. O Janani Devahuti, you should realize that I am all powerful, and I am the one who is the cause of this entire Srushti. I am Devadeva, I am Paramatma. This kind of me should be approached by everyone. If they don't realize, if anyone doesn't realize my all powerfulness and doesn't surrender to me, how will they be able to cross this ocean of troubles? Ho Janani madbhayat vati vataha. Only because of me, the Vayudeva does his duty. Madbhayat suryaha tapati. Only because he has fear of me, Surya giving his light to the entire world. And Madbhayat varshati Indraha. Because of me, Indra gives rain. Madbhayat Agnihi dahati. Because Agni has fear of me, that is why he does his duty. Madbhayat mrutyuhu charati. And even Mrityu also has fear of me, that is why he does his duty. That is how Everything is functioning because of me. And O Janani Devahuti, those who have severe amount of devotion upon me, they will be always at my divine feet and they will be always safe. And they don't have to be scared of anything in this entire creation. Oh Janani, this is what is the essence of all the scriptures. What is that essence? Do not carry any other desire. Do not leave me and do not be attached from me, and have devotion upon me alone. This is the essence of all the scriptures. This is the means to attain moksham, and there is no other means to attain moksham. This is only the means. Like that, Kapila Mahamuni teaching to Devahuti. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayana Astram. Jai Sriman Narayana.